Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a very quick unboxing from Influencer. I just came home from work and I saw that I got this. This is the hashtag holiday prep Voxbox. And I am just going to show you what's in here. All these boxes come with this piece of paper that tells you what is in the box. And then I didn't even know about this brand until right now, but this is Juliana Rancic's brand, Fountain of Truth. So I'm really excited to use this. So I'll just start with that. This is the Fountain of Truth Good Day Souffle Hydrating Moisturizer with SPF 15. And then, I've never heard of this brand. This is the VDL Satin Veil Primer. ROC Retinol Eye Cream, the Moroccan Oil Colored Dispositing Mask, and this is Country Life Biotin Spray for Skin and Nails, and it's Tropical Coconut.